The type of simple machine which we are going to discuss or study is pulley. Good morning children. As you know, we are doing simple machines. Let us discuss about a simple machine called pulley. The pulley, it's P-U-L-L-E-Y, pronunciation is pulley. Okay? It is a small wheel with a groove around its outer edge. The groove can hold a rope in position. A pulley together with a chain or a rope is used to lift an object. As you have seen people drawing water, maybe not in you have not seen a well yourself, but at least in a picture or in a movie, in television, you must have seen how we draw water. We take out water from the well. Now, how this pulley is used? It is a wheel. There is a wheel there. It is fixed in some maybe a rod or a wooden plank. It is fixed, and it is a wheel, and the outer side of the wheel there is groove. Now groove is the space where the rope is fit inside. Otherwise, how will the rope fit inside? You must have seen your maybe the steering wheel of your vehicle, but there is no groove. So in that you can't put anything, this rope or a chain or something. But you must have seen that wheel of your bicycle where you can put the chain, isn't it? So that is the place, outer side of that wheel there is space where you can put the rope. The rope goes around it, or the chain, maybe carrying some loads also. These pulleys are used, and there is chain, and it is fixed in some support. Then otherwise, how will you pull the water? And by using the effort or force, and the load is taken. Load means that water is drawn from the well. Okay, you just see it is here the picture. Water being drawn out of the well. So you can see that there is a support where the wheel is placed with a rope in it, and the rope is the one side of the rope there is the bucket tied with it, and it is put inside the well where you lose the wire or the rope goes down, and then you have to put the force, and then you have to pull the bucket. Okay, in this way you can see. Have a look here. You can see here that effort is being given here because he is pulling the rope, and this is your wheel, and the wheel there is groove outside. Outer part there is groove because the rope is tied with the wheel, and this is the support. This is maybe the wooden or the iron support, because it has to be very heavy wooden support, maybe the boundary part, but it has to be iron because otherwise it will be broken. And here you have another rope, and a bucket is tied to it, and you put it inside and draw the well. This type of thing, this pulley is used for hoisting the flag. You must have seen flags being hoisted in your school, and there is a wheel and there is a rope tied to it. When you pull the rope, the wheel moves, okay, and your flag opens. If you even have to flag, unfold the flag, and then again you put the flag back to its place. Both the time you use this pulley. Okay. Now children, pulley are of two types. Two types of pulleys are there. One is fixed pulley and one is movable pulley. The fixed pulleys you have seen in drawing water from the well, even the flag hoisting time, the unfurling of the flag also done with that fixed, because it is fixed in a bamboo or maybe an iron. You have a rod in it, and this is how the flag, there is in the wheel there is a rod also passing through it, wheel and axle type of thing, and here you pull the rope and then the flag is unfurled. Okay, and fixed pulley is drawing water from where? Movable pulley is to lift loads. You must have seen in your textbook lifting the loads. These are your pulleys where you lift the loads. These are movable, you just have to hang it, and you have to carry the loads. These are used in factories or industries. Heavy loads are picked with the pulley. So pulleys, just now we discussed about pulley. Pulley is where you have a wheel, and the outer part of the wheel there is groove which wire or maybe rope or maybe you are using the chain. Sometimes chain are also used because you pull something, and then like I told you, your bicycle chain you have, and even some people have curtains where these pulleys, they pull the rope and the curtain is drawn, and again you have to put the curtains back to its place to pull it. So in this way you must have seen maybe in your house also, these are pulleys. So pulleys are used in different ways. Okay, they have a lot of function. Fixed pulley and movable pulleys. Okay children, thank you.